Good evening, my dear students. Today I am telling you about the concentration term. This topic covered in the solution chapter. It is a very important topic in the point of view of competition. Concentration term. Concentration term means how much solute dissolve in the solution. That is, a solution is thick, thin. It means if solution गाढ़ा है आपका बहुत गाढ़ा है, it means concentration is high. Which concentration? We always talking about the concentration of the solute. Okay, first concentration term is the mass percentage. Mass percentage means mass of solute divided by total mass of solution. Total mass of solution solution means solute plus solvent multiplied by the 100. For example, if I am saying that 10% mass percentage, it means 10 gram solute dissolve in 100 gram solution. It means 10 gram solute dissolve in 100 gram of solution. And solvent is 90 gram because 100 minus 10 is the 90 gram solvent. 90 gram solvent, 100 gram solution and 10 gram is the solute. Is it clear? It means 10 gram solute present in 100 gram of solution, or we can also say that 10 gram solute present in 90 gram of solvent. Okay, it means percentage mass denoted by the how much solute dissolve in out of total mass of the solution. Second आता है that is a volume percentage. Second is the volume percentage. It is a similar as the mass percentage. In this case, we consider the volume. How much volume of solute present in total volume of solution multiplied by the 100 because percentage. 10% volume by volume. It means 10 ml solute dissolve in 100 ml solution. Okay, in similar case 10 ml solute dissolve in 100 ml solution or solvent solution. Solvent की quantity 100 minus 10 is the 90 ml of solute presented. Is it clear? Now third is the mole fraction. Mole fraction, it is the number of moles divided by total number of moles. Mole fraction is the number of moles divided by the total number of moles. For example, if we have two components A and B, okay, then number of moles A is denoted by Na and number of moles B is denoted by Nb. What is the mole? Given mass divided by the molecular mass. Then mole fraction of A is, it is denoted by Xa is equal to Na divided by total number of moles Na plus Nb, or Xa is equal to Wa, given mass of this one, molecular mass of A, Wa, Na plus Wb. Is it clear? Mole fraction, total mole fraction of a solution is never greater than 1. It means Xa plus Xb is 1. If Xa is 0.4, then Xb is 0.6. Is it clear? इट इज ए मोल फ्रैक्शन, यानी फ्रैक्शन मीन्स आउट ऑफ वन में से कितना आपका कंपोनेंट है. क्लियर? देन मोलरिटी, कैपिटल M. Capital M, it is a very important concentration term. Molarity M. Number of moles of solute dissolved in per liter solution. Number of moles of solute. Number of moles of solute divided by volume of solution. Solution, always remember here is the solution in liter. Solution in liter. For example, 10 gram NaOH dissolved in 100 ml solution. Calculate capital L. 100 gram NaOH dissolved in 100 ml solution. Calculate capital N. Capital N. Number of moles of solute. That is a given 10 gram, volume 100 ml. Or component is the NaOH. N. Given mass 10, molecular weight 40. Volume 100 ml. It is in ml. Convert into the liter. Okay, then calculate 10 by 4, yeah, 2.5 capital M. That is a molarity of the element. Clear? Fourth is the small m, that is a molality. Molality, that is denoted by the small m. Capital M के बाद आता है small m. Molality. Similar, the capital M in the volume and small m in the kg of the solvent. Small m, number of moles of solute divided by mass of solvent in kg. Remember, here is the solvent. Solvent means solution minus solute. Mass of solvent, not mass of solution. Mass of solvent in kg. Is it clear? Capital M, molarity, is the volume of solution in liter, whereas the small m is the mass of solvent in kg in the denominator. Is it clear? In mass percentage, mole fraction and small m, these are the temperature independent concentration term, because here is the no volume is present in the formulas. It is a temperature independent quantity. Is it clear? Now please like and subscribe my channel, and if you have any suggestion, please